This 4-in-1 portable air conditioner is designed for personal cooling in a compact and convenient format, combining 4 functions into one unit. With 3 fan speeds and a 1600 ml water tank, it offers a practical setup for anyone looking for adjustable airflow and water-based cooling without a larger cooling system. The compact design makes this type of unit particularly suitable for personal spaces, where a full-size air conditioner may not be necessary or practical. The 3 fan speeds are useful because cooling needs can vary throughout the day. A lower setting can provide gentler airflow, while higher speeds can be selected when stronger circulation is preferred. Having multiple speed options also gives more control instead of relying on a single fixed airflow level. The 1600 ml water capacity is another important feature, as the tank provides the water needed for the cooling function while reducing the need to refill immediately after starting the unit. The biggest advantage of a product like this is portability. Rather than being designed to cool an entire large room, its compact format makes more sense for targeted personal cooling. It can be considered for spaces such as a desk area, bedside setup, or another small personal zone where localized airflow is useful. This makes it a different type of solution from a conventional room air conditioner, and expectations should be set accordingly. The 4-in-1 design also adds versatility, bringing several functions together instead of requiring separate devices. For buyers who prioritize a compact cooling option with adjustable fan speeds and a relatively large 1600 ml water tank, the combination is worth considering. At the same time, the available information does not specify room coverage, cooling temperature, operating time, noise level, or power consumption, so those factors should be checked separately before making a purchase. Overall, this portable 4-in-1 air cooler is best suited to buyers looking for flexible, personal cooling in a compact format, rather than a replacement for a full-size air conditioning system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.